Here I am in the desktop version of Zotero. I've opened up the software and navigated to a collection for which I want to create a freestanding bibliography. So this is a mix in this folder here of books and articles, and I just want a document that's a bibliography of that in my desired style. So I simply do a right click and create bibliography from citation. Choose that option. It will check to see what style I want to create this in. So my default style already is APA 7th edition, but I could change this. If there's not a style on this, if I want a style that's not on this list, I could go to Manage Styles. So I have several choices here. I can do individual citations or bibliography, which is what I wanted to do. That's the default. And I have a choice of what my output method is. So I'm either going to save that as an RTF file that can be read by Microsoft Word and other word processing programs, HTML, copy to clipboard. In that case, I would have to paste it into a document of my choosing, or straight ahead and print it. I'm going to do save as RTF, and I'll show you what happens. So here it comes. I have the choice of saving it to different locations. This is where I saved something last, so it's going to my desktop in a file called Zotero. It's given it the file name that matches the collection that I'm using, and I just click Save. In a moment, I'll navigate to that and show you what Zotero has created for me. I've navigated to and opened my standalone bibliography, and here it is. Every single item that's in that library, which is quite extensive. So I could print this, do whatever I like with it, and just one comment here. If you see errors in the format, so this one's really popping out at me, our authors are all in capital letters. If this is just sort of a list for convenience, obviously don't worry about it. If it's something that needs to be correct, what you want to do is go back into Zotero and fix the format of that information in the Zotero collection itself, in the software itself. Because if you don't, if you just fix it here, the next time you generate any bibliography or citations from those items, the problem is just going to stay there, and it'll be wrong again. So of course it depends what you're using this little bibliography for. If it's just you know, a matter of convenience, don't worry about it. But at some point you're probably going to want to go back to the Zotero library and fix the format of things like that. I hope that helps show you how to create a standalone bibliography from Zotero.